Uba sostenes sotun MLA but MDC ka jirang constituency mentakas ni ula lej ban pelipaj ba no ia ka Ranibari Sub Centre ia ka ba ulate bat pynieng ha kasnong Ranibari ka badai ka wei na kasnong ka badon ha syndah khappud bat ka Assam ka bahap ha ka jirang constituency katai ka Ranibari Sub Centre ka bala peli mentakas ni ka dei ka jaka sumar ka ban ai jingmentoy ya ki pajba hakikat arteli kisnong khappud ki badon hakathan Ranibari lengba katay ka Sub Centre ki pajba ki basyong hakatay kathan ki lalaj ban lecha sumar sya ki jaka sumar ki badon hakaliang Assam hakaba kino ki jingsitom ki ba padon kam ban lecha sumar sya ki hospital bahe la Plie katay ka Sub Centre da ka jingdon ka kong birani ADC ka Ribhoy district kum ka sembut kongsan ki AR marak DMHO ka Ribhoy medical officer ka patarkhma CHC ki he na ka corona trust ki rang ba snong ka thany Ranibari lembat ki pajba nong snong ka thany Ranibari bro kawai uba sostene sotun habakren ha ka tay ka sngi ula penpau ya ka jingkemen ba ulayo ban penurlong ya ka tay ka jing angnut ka balas lem nama ria ka tay ka Sub Centre ka day ka ba ula angnut nadu ka por ula job ha ka election arajar kharphra nadu bu ula job ula kular khmat ki pajba jong katay ka thany ba un sa penyo ya katay ka Sub Centre hapo katay ka thany
during the election campaign all our leaders they are here I hope they still remember that we kept this Ranibari Sub Centre as one of the main election campaign to complete, and today I'm very happy and I would like to thank the NPP-led government under the leadership of Sir Conrad K. Sangma and Madam Dr. Ampreen Lingo, who is the Health Minister. It is because of the leadership who knew each and every area, the needs of the people, be it health or be it the other departments, the PHE, the PWD, or any other departments. This government, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, has done lots of development for the state of Meghalaya, especially for Jirang constituency. That's why we gathered here today with happiness, joy, together with the health department to see that this building, this permanent building, just constructed right in the border with Assam. And I would like to tell in front of you all, my dear friends, sometimes you will see in the comments, you will see that certain people will say that this government has done nothing for the people who are residing in the border. This is wrong. I'll tell you. This is wrong. The NPP-led government, if we go, we take to roads, PWD, we take to health sector, water resource, PHE, sports, it has done a lot of development, especially with the border areas. So we stand here together to congratulate the government, to congratulate the health department, the DMHO, the medical officers in charge of Parakma, Warmausau, and all the healthcares of Jirang constituency. We have to congratulate them because they work for the betterment of the people of our constituencies. This belongs to the people of border areas, and we have a very big area, and I hope that in future we can get easily for the expansion of this sub-center into a CHC or to many other expansion if needs to in the future. So I would like to request to the people who are residing in the border, be friends, make use, be friends with the doctors, with the medical officers who will be looking under this sub-center, and you have to also take the benefits which you are going to get from this sub-center. The government initiatives, plans and programs is to bring a better health care for the people of the state.